Hi, my name's Corryn Wild and I'm an independent financial advisor at 3 Counties. What does it mean to opt out of a pension and should I do it? Well, if you're considering opting out of a pension, you're probably looking at your workplace pension. So under auto-enrolment legislation, employers are obliged to offer all employees of a certain age earning over a certain amount access to a workplace pension. They're also obliged to contribute to that pension if the employee does as well. And there are set prescribed minimum amounts of contribution that you and your employer would need to make. Now, what actually happens when you join an employer is you are opted in to the pension. You don't have to specifically ask to join, you're opted in automatically. This can often be either straight away or after a postponement period of up to about 3 months. If you don't want to be in the pension, you actually have to opt out. So you've got to take action to remove yourself from the pension arrangement. The reason it's set up this way is to try and get more people saving for their retirement, because of course, if we have to actually do something to opt out, it's likely that a lot of people will do nothing and stay within the pension. If you decide to opt out, that means that your employer is no longer obliged to pay into a workplace pension for you because you're not contributing. Whether you would want to opt out is another matter. So reasons people may decide to opt out. Firstly, it may well be that you really do need that contribution that would be going into your pension. You need that to maintain your standard of living, to pay your bills, etc. So you need to take the salary in full. Another reason specifically that people might opt out is if they have a larger pension pot already, and historically they've applied for certain protections against the lifetime allowance. And for some of these protections, if you accrue further pension benefits, in other words, if you stay opted into the pension, it can invalidate the lifetime allowance protection that you have in place. This is a very specific situation, which does apply to larger pension pots only. But generally speaking, if it's affordable to you and you can part with the contribution each month into the pension, it's likely to be appropriate to do so. And the reason for that is, one, it's a very tax efficient way of saving for your own financial future. So you're putting some money away for retirement. And two, if you pay in, your employer pays in. So it's a way of actually getting a boost to your retirement provision by using money from your employer rather than all of the contributions coming from your own pocket. So if you have recently joined an employer and been opted in and been offered the opportunity or been told about your rights to opt out of the pension, it certainly is something to think very seriously about before doing so.